the children were out in the yard playing as normal, and they had a little bit of extra playtime because Mr. Minnock wasn't there, and I just thought I'd do a little cheat and say, okay, let's have a little extra playtime. And everybody was just minding their own business, and suddenly, just somewhere through the clouds, we saw this chopper just appear, and we heard the noise. Everybody started to look up, and some child said, oh my gosh, I think it's Santa in a helicopter. And then everybody just followed with their eyes, and down he landed. I've never seen such a